Imagine spending hundreds of dollars on a Wi-Fi system when this setup can cover your home, office, or shop with fast, reliable Wi-Fi using just one Ethernet cable. Today, we're unboxing the TP-Link EAP615 Wi-Fi 6 Access Point and the TP-Link PoE Switch. To build a professional network, let's find out if this budget-friendly setup is worth buying. Many people think ceiling-mounted Wi-Fi is difficult to install and needs expensive equipment or networking experience. But TP-Link's Omada ecosystem makes it surprisingly simple. In this video, we'll unbox both devices and finish with a real-world speed test and the TP-Link PoE Switch. Inside the box, you'll find the switch, power cable, rack mount brackets, rubber feet, documentation. This is a 10-port Gigabit Easy Smart Switch. 8 ports support PoE+, which means they deliver both power and data through a single Ethernet cable. So devices like IP cameras, VoIP phones, and the EAP615 don't need a separate power adapter. The switch offers a 63-watt PoE budget, enough to power multiple devices at the same time. And with gigabit ports, your wired network stays fast. Now let's unbox the TP-Link EAP615. Inside the box you'll find the access point, ceiling and wall mounting kit, mounting bracket, installation guide, screws. The design is clean, compact, and made for ceiling or wall mounting. Unlike a regular router sitting in one corner, this access point spreads Wi-Fi more evenly across the area. It supports Wi-Fi 6 802.11x with dual-band connectivity. 2.4 GHz for better range, 5 GHz for higher speeds. Features like OFDMA, mu-MIMO, beamforming, and BSS coloring help multiple devices stay connected smoothly, even in busy environments. Whether it's phones, laptops, smart TVs, or IoT devices, the EAP615 handles them with ease. Now for the easiest part. Connect a Cat6 Ethernet cable from a PoE port on the switch to the EAP615. That's it. One cable. Power and data together. No power adapter, no extension cable, no electrical outlet near the ceiling. As soon as it's connected, the access point powers on automatically. The LED lights up and it's ready to be configured. This is why power over Ethernet is so popular in professional networks. Now let's see the performance. Our internet connection is around 500 Mbps. Standing near the access point on the 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 network, we're getting download speeds close to our ISP's full bandwidth. Upload speeds are just as impressive, with low latency. 4K streaming, video calls, large downloads, cloud backups, and online gaming all run smoothly. Thanks to the gigabit connection between the switch and the access point, the wired network never becomes the bottleneck. Here's what makes this setup stand out. Wi-Fi 6 performance, gigabit wired network. Easy to expand with more access points. Clean ceiling-mounted design, perfect for homes, offices, schools, restaurants, and retail stores. If you're dealing with weak Wi-Fi dead zones or a router that struggles with multiple devices, this setup is a solid upgrade. You get professional performance, simple installation, and excellent wireless speeds, all powered through a single Ethernet cable. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more networking and tech content, and tell me in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.